Well, good afternoon, folks. This is Big Jim speaking to you from Mobster Motors, where we have Jeff today, who's been working hard on this rebuild of a 1970 Buick 350. We've got it on the engine test stand, and we're ready to give it its first final flight. What we've done here is we've done some modifications to the engine, added a HEI ignition, a pointless ignition system, as well as a Holley 500 CFM dual feed carburetor, and some other changes to make sure that she purrs like a kitten like she did originally back in 1970. She'll be heading into this 1955 Ford F100 panel truck, or we haven't quite decided, this 1941 Chevy Custom Deluxe. So anyways, let's get on with the show and see if we actually have a successful test here. Jeff, would you do me the honors of attempting the ignition on this beast? Well, I'd say that makes this successful. So from the guys who actually do all the work here at Mobster Motors, like Jeff, versus me, who just orders everybody around and of course pays the bills, we wish you happy motoring and a great day, and look for more videos coming to you soon.